Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Today we are going to talk about fractions. Today we are going to talk about fractions, right? I hope you're okay. You are really determined to learn, and this is now grade 5 work. And I believe as you are at home, you are trying to research. I'll go direct to trying to remind you what you covered so far when you were at school. One, we discussed about numbers. And in numbers, I remember we talked about place values, total values. We talked about long form and short form, writing in words and writing in figures. I believe I discussed that with you, and you are going through that work even as you are at home. I discussed also Roman numbers. We discussed how to convert the Roman numbers into Hindu-Arabic numbers and Hindu-Arabic numbers into Roman numbers. And we discussed the application of Roman numbers. I believe even as you are at home, you are going through that work because we say practice makes perfect. And I remember very well also we discussed what we call the square roots and squares, which you call the radicals and the radicals, and you remind me, and the exponents. We discussed all of them. I remember us talking about writing in exponential form and writing in long form, short form, working out, solving, evaluating of given numbers. We discussed with you. Later on, we ventured our missiles into LCM and GCD, and we discussed the listing GCD method, and also we discussed the listing the LCM method, and we discussed the long successive division method. Now, after that, we agreed that when we come back, we are going to discuss on fractions. Now, here I am to talk about these fractions. Now, first of all, my question goes that what is fraction? We are going to say fraction is a part of a whole. So fraction is a part of a whole. Now, what do we mean by saying fraction is a part of a whole? Let me draw a certain thing like this. Oh, sorry. Let me call this one is a rectangle. So if you have a piece of bread that is in that shape, then you decide to divide it into two equal parts. This is part A and this is part B. So you ask yourself, what is this of all of it? All of these two parts are the two parts, right? But when I say part A is one out of the two, so fraction means that it is a fraction or a part of a whole. So the whole thing has two parts, so one of it is 1 over 2. Now after that, we can go to parts of a fraction. Parts of a fraction. What are the parts of fraction that you know? I want you to realize that there is one part A, we have numerators, and part B, we have denominators. We have numerator and denominator. Now, what is a numerator and what is a denominator? There's a question you need to ask yourself. Now, a numerator is the number that is always on top, and a denominator is a number that is always on the bottom. For example, if I write 3 over 4, my numerator is 3, and my denominator is 4. Rather, you can say 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. That is the two parts of a fraction. Now, without wasting time, let's go to types of fraction. Types of fraction. I think you have gone through the book Attitude Booster by me that says that I discussed the types of fraction. And the first type of fraction I discussed is what we call the proper fraction. The proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? A proper fraction is a fraction that has smaller numerator and bigger denominator. Example, or let's say it, this has a smaller numerator and a bigger denominator. In other words, we are saying that the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Say it again. The numerator is smaller than the denominator. So here we go. If I give you an example, e.g., I'll say, e.g., I might say 1/2, 6/7, 9/100, and even 99/120. This is a proper fraction whereby the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So the denominator is big, but the numerator is small. Let's see the next part. The next type of fraction is what we call improper. Can you say improper? Improper fraction. Now, improper fraction is whereby the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Say it again. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. Example. Let's see. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator, nominator. Examples. We have 9/2, 11/9, 100/60, 40/7. Look at this. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator. So which type of fraction is it? It is improper. It is not proper. It is improper, meaning that the top number is bigger than the bottom number. Let's finally, number 3, or the last one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Can you say mixed fraction? Again? Good. But I've heard you, my friend, who is that? Can I tell you that? You have not said. Can you say mixed fraction? It is mixed fraction. Now, this one has a whole number and a proper fraction. Has a whole number and a proper fraction. I know you know what a proper fraction is. Now, if you give examples, e.g., you are going to say a whole number and a proper fraction, a whole number and a proper fraction, a whole number, maybe 140/60. These are examples of mixed fraction. So if somebody asks you to name examples of mixed fraction, just take a whole number, name a whole number, then a proper fraction, as we have said here. After that, let's go direct to conversion. Conversion of fractions. Conversion of fraction. How do we convert fractions? I want you to listen and listen very well. How do we convert fractions? Number 1, from improper to mixed fraction. How do we convert improper fraction to mixed fraction? Let's see. Maybe I have A 9/4, B I have 46/12. I will start by A, which I'll write solution. My solution will be, I'll take 9, that's A, I'll take 9 over 4. Then I'll say 9 as my numerator divided by 4 as my denominator. So we come here, we do it. 9. How many times does 4 go into 9? It goes there 2. 2 times 4, 8. You subtract to get 1. In grade 4, we learned that this number is called a quotient. This one is called a divisor. And this one is called a remainder. So when you are writing your answer, you write the answer which is the quotient, then the remainder over the divisor. So that is our next fraction. Let's see, the next one is B, which is 46 over 12. It goes 46 divided by 12. How many times? It will go 12 into 46. If you divide very well, you will find it goes there 4, not 4, 3. Very good. 3 times 12, 36. You subtract to get 0, 1. So I say your answer is the quotient, remainder over divisor. Are we there? Good. If you have understood this, I want you to go and try these questions. I want you to try these questions. Question number 1. What is a fraction? A fraction. Sorry, what is a fraction? Number 2, name 2 major parts of a fraction. Number 3, name 3 types of fraction. Number 4 is here. Convert. Okay, state 5 examples in each group, each type. Let me use the word type named above. And 3. Number 5, convert into mixed fraction. A, 11 over 5, B, 16 over 3, and C, 21 over 6. I believe with this work on my board, you can go and can see it. It's going to help you answer this question, which you're going to, which will help you to understand. After this, next lesson will be on converting mixed fraction into improper fraction and addition, subtraction until we reach somewhere multiplication. After that, I believe you have understood something on fraction. Please don't forget to subscribe on the YouTube Makini School TZ so that you can be getting these updates day after day. Thank you. Bye.